SafeLink internet not working? Let's troubleshoot. Most issues stem from signal problems. First, check your signal strength. If there's a widespread outage, check SafeLink's website or your carrier's app like Verizon or AT&T. For SIM card problems, ensure it's properly inserted and undamaged. Consider a SIM swap if needed. Verify your APN settings. For Verizon, it's typically VZ WinterNet, and for AT&T, it's NXT Gen Phone. A simple device restart often resolves connectivity hiccups. Remember to keep your device software updated. SafeLink's app also features troubleshooting tools like outage maps and diagnostic checks. These quick fixes address the most common connectivity issues. If basic troubleshooting fails, explore advanced solutions. Check for data throttling during peak hours, which can significantly reduce speeds. In some cases, outdated APN settings after a network migration can cause persistent issues. Manually updating these settings via SafeLink support portal may restore connectivity. SafeLink is increasingly using AI-driven diagnostics within its app, offering guided fixes and reducing call center wait times. Trends show a shift toward eSIM technology for easier SIM replacements. Looking ahead, expect enhanced 5G integration and potential partnerships with satellite providers like Starlink to improve rural coverage. However, be cautious of rising cyber threats like SIM swapping scams and implement stronger authentication measures. Keep an eye on data usage trends and consider hybrid Wi-Fi cellular solutions if throttling becomes a consistent problem. These solutions will help to make sure you are up to date.